Oh, D. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Rob the God back with another video, and yes, you read the title correctly. Today we'll be going over $1,500 worth of Supreme in-store pickups, and let's get into it. I'm gonna show all these receipts so you know I'm not capping. We straight up cashed out these past 3 days that I went, but it ain't on no breaks. We got a lot of good stuff, a lot of heaters, a lot of stuff that's sold out online, and a lot of stuff that was from the weeks prior, but let me show y'all. Some things just so you guys know, these purchases were made within the same week that this video was dropped. I did the purchases over 3 days, Sunday, Monday, and today, which is Wednesday. And another thing, shout out to my boy Emiliano for putting me on. That's my homie. We get the bag together, we break bread together, and I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the description. All right, so the way we're gonna go through the purchases, we're gonna go from the least expensive purchase to the most expensive purchase. So first off, we're gonna start off with today, which is Wednesday, which is something light. So let me show you. All right, so we'll be starting off with Wednesday's purchase, which is today's purchase. It was something light. I only got 4 items and dropped $160. And this is what I got. I got a Supreme Lamborghini beanie in green. These dropped a couple weeks ago with the whole Supreme Lamborghini collaboration. I didn't personally like it myself, but surprisingly it's not doing too bad on the aftermarket. These are going for like $55 right now, so that's not bad, especially since I paid $38 for it. The next thing we got is another beanie. It's a Supreme crossover beanie in black. People slept on these. They slept on them to a degree. They didn't instantly sell out, but they sold out within the hour of the drop, and honestly, these are pretty good. I love the crossover embroidery going through it, and honestly, I probably might keep one for myself. I feel like these will do really good in the winter alongside the Lamborghini one. So yeah, but the really good stuff are the things in these 2 boxes. So I was able to get not 1, but 2 of the Supreme woven straw mats. And let me tell you, these stuff are big. Like, look at that. My voice probably got muffled just now. So, alright, so I got 2 of those today. Those things are really big. They only cost $40 and they're going for around 100 right now on the aftermarket. So that's a pretty good return. I feel like it's a good hold and it'll go up in the future, especially in like a year or 2 if you're willing to hold it that long. So that's always a good cop in my opinion. Those were from weeks ago and I was so surprised that they had them. So yeah, 2 beanies, 2 mats. Let's move on to Monday. All right, moving on from Monday, we got a lot more than 4 items this time, but we also spent a lot more. On Monday, I spent damn near $400, but I got really good stuff, honestly. Let's just get the stuff that you already seen out the way. We got 2 more mats in red. We got another Lamborghini beanie in orange. Another crossover beanie in pink. And one thing about the pink colorway, the embroidery is like really shiny on this. For some reason, this is the only colorway that has the embroidery so shiny. So I feel like it really separates it from the rest of the colorways. I also got a Serape blanket, which I really wanted, but I missed out online. And I got 3 of the summer tees that dropped this past week. Alright, since you haven't seen the Serape and the tees, I'm gonna show it to you. You have the Itchy the Killer long sleeve in red. You got Itchy the Killer, okay, not even Itchy the Killer, but this is the guy that hunts Itchy the Killer in the actual movie itself. You got Supreme in Old English going down the left sleeve of the shirt. And then you got a 1 on the back of the you got a 1 on the back of the shirt, and it's meant to symbolize the 1 that Ichi the Killer wore on the suit of armor in the movie. It's a pretty good shirt, but I don't really rock long sleeves, so probably gonna end up selling it down the line. We have the lizard tee now, medium in a gray. Honestly, this is a pretty nice print that they have on it. It's a fun print. I'd say if I was just getting into streetwear, I'd be more attracted to this piece, but since I have more of a, I'd say a refined taste, it's not really for me anymore. Like I'm like more simple stuff, like more streamlined stuff. So that's like what I would go for now. Either way, it's a pretty good tee. Either way, this is a pretty good tee. It's doing pretty good on the market as well. And now we have one more tee. We have the Domini, the Supreme Domini tee. Whoa. Oh, that's why it felt heavier. All right. I was like a little stunned just now because it felt heavier. I thought this was a medium, but they actually gave me a large in this colorway. But it kind of reminds me of like a bootleg shop tee. If you're into Supreme, you know what the shop tee is. It uses the standard Supreme shop print. It's a pretty popular print, and I like it myself. This looks more like something that someone did in Microsoft Word or Word Art with like a certain font. And honestly, I like it more than the lizard tee because it's more, as I said, streamlined, simple. You can just throw it on with anything really. And I don't see it going for much right now, but give it a couple months or maybe even a year, I could really see it going for a pretty decent amount of money down the line. There it goes. And now let's get into the very colorful Serape blankets. Alright, as you see, it uses a multicolor, plethora, rainbow type thing. It smells good, it's really good quality. I think Serape blankets are more of a Hispanic thing. I'm not 100% sure, don't quote me on that. But yeah, it's like really colorful and it's really big. And I feel like you're getting a lot for just $98. And if I can get this right, like this, it basically says Supreme straight across the middle. So that's a really nice piece. It's like a mix of subtlety and flashiness. Like you have the flashy colors, but you don't have Supreme all over the blanket. You just have Supreme in the middle. So if you fold it a certain way, you can hide the Supreme, or if you want to flex on your friends whenever they come over, you just put the Supreme in the middle and it's a wrap. It just made me so hot just now because that was all up on me. And now my shirt's a little ruined. But yeah, that was Monday's purchases, and now let's move on to the big kahuna. Sunday. Nah, no funny. That Serape really messed up my shirt and my do-rag and some of my face. It's alright though. Like, it's alright. Alright, finally we're on to Monday. This is by far the most money I spent out of the 3 days. I dropped over $900 worth of stuff, but it was money well spent. Alright. The first item I'd love to go over is these water shorts, these mesh logo water shorts. These are fire ass shorts, like. These are water shorts, so it's not like your regular shorts that you wear, but a lot of people are gonna wear them as regular shorts. It's when you go swimming. But look at the logoing on the side. Like, that's just clean as hell. It's not 3M. That'd be cool if it was. But for only $110, it's a pretty solid pair of water shorts. And these flew the week that they released, which was like the week that just passed. I was surprised that they were still in store, and I was lucky not to only get one, but two of them. So I got a black pair and a teal pair, both in size large, and they're both going for money right now. The trend with water shorts though is that, especially when they have good logoing, they tend to go up in the mid 200s to 300s, especially depending on size. So really happy I got those. Besides that, I got a lot more beanies. I got I got this gem beanie, which is by New Era and Supreme. It says Supreme in gems, like some bedazzled nonsense. I'd say it's more for the chicks, definitely not for me. Cool piece either way. I got not only one, but two more Serape blankets. Judging how blankets like these go, they're gonna go for probably around 300 in a year or two. So these are a good hold. Just set these to the side. I don't have to open them up because I already showed you one. There's like really no point in me showing you again. Black Lambo beanie. You already saw it. Same thing, different color. Moving on. Hanes Supreme boxers. Your favorite, you've probably seen your favorite rapper wear this. Your favorite F-boy wear this. Like, once you see the Supreme on the waistband, you know it's a wrap. Even though I way prefer the black ones, because the white ones are gonna get nasty, they're gonna get dirty. So unless you got the bread and you're getting a new pair, or you're really washing your Johns, which I know a lot of people don't be washing their underwear. I ain't gonna say no names. Yeah, like Supreme boxers, you know the deal. And on this day, did I not only get another crossover beanie, but I got three crossover beanies on the same day. Like on Sunday, these guys really blessed me, and that's why I was able to spend so much money and get so many good things. So Sunday was a really good day overall, but there's still more to see. I got you right now. We got another Domini tee in black with pink lettering. Good shirt. Another Lizard tee in black instead of gray. Good shirt, good color. What's this? Oh, I forgot about this. All right, so wait, before I get to this, we have another Ichi the Killer long sleeve. This is in white in a medium, so good color, good size, well, pretty good size. But now we have a tee that you guys haven't seen yet, the Supreme Marble tee. So that's a arc spell out on the back, that's an arc spell out on the front left chest. Pretty calm, but once you turn it around, this is why they call it the marble tee. You got this big colorful marble with Supreme, and it has like a marble effect that you would see in a marble. You know how they're like really glossy and all that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You got black, yellow, greenish, pink, purple. It's a nice mix of colors. So I'd say these are pretty wearable. And if you want to go calm with it, you can go calm, make the tee speak for itself, or you could wear an outfit that complements the print on the back. So yeah, you could wear like some, I don't know, some construction worker stuff, like whatever you feel like would work best, honestly. And finally, to end off everything, we have the Motion logo tee, the Supreme Motion logo tee. This is the item that people were going crazy after the most. I got it in store. I got the last medium in a gray. They took it right off the shelf for me. And yeah, it's a pretty solid tee, honestly. Like, it's just printed on. It looks pretty good. Like, they've dropped this tee 4 times in the past 20 years. But it's been like more recent, honestly. Like the last time they dropped it in a tee version was 2016. And they also dropped the sweatshirt this season too. But yeah, these are going for like 100 to 150 depending on the colorway. It's a pretty good tee. I don't really get the hype over it. So I may understand the hype over it, but for a personal piece, I don't really see it as I really wouldn't see myself wearing it, because I feel like Supreme puts out better tees than this. Like, I would rather wear, low-key, I'd rather wear the Domini tee than this, because I feel like the design doesn't like match the value that they're going for, honestly. But yeah, oh, actually, I got a sticker pack in the first purchase. Surprisingly, Sunday was the only day I got any stickers at all, even though I was cashing out. They only gave me stickers on Sunday. I'm not complaining too much, but it is what it is, right? Alright, so through the 3 days we went to Supreme, we've amassed 9 tees, 2 pairs of water shorts, 3 serape blankets, 4 straw mats, 9 beanies, and 2 packs of Hainsbury's. That's a lot of stuff. That's it for this in-store pickup video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, I'll reply, this and that. Follow my Instagram, that'll be in the description. I also have a resale page that I'm going to be opening up in the fall called Flossy Flippers. You can follow that from now. I'll be in the description as well. And make sure to follow my boy Emiliano. His Instagram will be in the description. Without him, this video wouldn't be possible. These purchases wouldn't be possible. That's my homie right there. He's a really good guy. He sells stuff too. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.